Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this series of Python tutorial series, now we will be covering the second part of object-oriented programming in Python. We will cover encapsulation and polymorphism. These concepts build on what we discussed in the first video of OOPS concept and are crucial for writing secure and flexible code. If you haven't watched the first video, be sure to check it out. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about encapsulation. Encapsulation is the concept of wrapping data and its methods that operate on that data within a single unit, usually a class. This helps to protect the data from outside interference and misuse. Here's an example of encapsulation. In this example, name and age are private attributes indicated by double underscores. They can only be accessed through the methods getName and getAge. This prevents direct modification of these attributes from the outside classes, ensuring the integrity of data. So, if I run this code, yeah, so we have passed name as Alice and age is 30. So now let's discuss about polymorphism. Polymorphism allows method to do different things based on the object it is acting upon. It enables a single interface to represent different underlying forms, that is data types. Here's an example demonstrating polymorphism. In this example, dog and cat classes both inherit from animal and implement the speak method differently. When we call speak on my dog and my cat functions, we get different outputs based on the type of the object. This is polymorphism in action. So, if I quickly run this code, it outputs. From the first print statement, it outputs Buddy says woof and Whisker says meow. Yeah. To recap, we have covered the concepts of encapsulation and polymorphism in Python. Encapsulation helps protect our data, and polymorphism allows for flexible and reusable code. Together with classes, objects, and inheritance, these concepts form the core of object-oriented programming. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.